Hey friends, it's David McKinney with Empowered Media, and I want to do a really short video about something I found on AppSumo. For those of you that are AppSumo fans, you know that they have great deals on all sorts of software. It's a software wholesale house, if you will, where you can find really cool stuff, and you can search for things on AppSumo.com. So, what I'm focused in on is Friend Connector, and as you know, I have Friend Connector. It's a Chrome extension. It automates Facebook friend finding, if you will, and automates the process and helps you focus in on very targeted people in your specific niche. And you can reach out to them in groups and things like that, and automate the process and connect with them and become their friends, and then it automates that. So anyway, I just wanted to show you this. The thing that's really cool is here on AppSumo, it shows you the lifetime deal price, $299. $14.97 regularly, lifetime deal, I guess. And then it shows the reviews. For instance, producing Fire One verified purchaser would give it 20 tacos